Just when we thought we'd seen everything there was to know about the Insta360 X6, another major leak has surfaced. And this might be the most convincing one yet. We're no longer looking at certification documents or blurry prototype photos. This time, what appears to be the official retail packaging has leaked online, revealing the camera, accessories, key features, battery life, and even possible pricing. But after looking through everything, I honestly don't think 8K at 50 frames per second is the biggest story here. Instead, it looks like Insta360 has spent the last year fixing some of the biggest complaints users had with the X5. So let's go through everything that's leaked and, more importantly, whether these upgrades are actually worth getting excited about. The first thing that immediately caught my attention wasn't the camera itself. It was a single number printed on the side of the box. 140 minutes of 8K 30 recording. If you've ever used a 360 camera, you already know why this matters. Recording in 8K drains batteries incredibly quickly, especially during long travel shoots, cycling, skiing, or hiking. The Insta360 X5 was officially rated for around 93 minutes at 8K 30, so if this leak is accurate, the X6 is offering almost 50% longer recording time. Honestly, that's the type of upgrade you'll notice every single time you use the camera. Higher frame rates are nice, but not having to stop every hour just to swap batteries makes a much bigger difference in real-world shooting. The second feature highlighted on the box is Replaceable Lenses 2.0. The original replaceable lens system on the X5 was already one of the smartest ideas Insta360 has introduced. Instead of replacing an entire camera because of one scratched lens, you could simply swap out the damaged lens yourself. Now they're calling this the second generation, which suggests they've improved the system even further. We don't know exactly what has changed yet, so anything beyond the name is speculation. But hopefully that means easier installation, better sealing against dust and water, or even stronger durability. Either way, it's good to see Insta360 continuing to improve a feature that genuinely saves users money. Another feature printed on the packaging is Pure Video Mode, and this might actually become one of the biggest upgrades if it performs as advertised. Every 360 camera struggles in low light. Once the sun goes down, noise starts creeping in, details become softer, and heavy noise reduction often makes footage look unnatural. If Pure Video Mode can genuinely improve low-light performance without destroying detail, that could have a much bigger impact on everyday users than simply increasing resolution. Of course, we'll have to test it ourselves before drawing any conclusions, but it's definitely one of the features I'm most interested in. Now let's talk about the design, because these comparison photos reveal more than you might think. Side by side with the X5, the X6 looks noticeably shorter while keeping those large dual lenses. It doesn't look dramatically thinner, but reducing the overall height should make it easier to fit into a pocket, easier to hold, and generally more comfortable to carry around. Another leaked comparison places it next to a GoPro-style 360 camera, and honestly, it shows just how far this category has evolved. A few years ago, 360 cameras felt bulky and awkward. Today they're approaching the size of a regular action camera, while still delivering full 360-degree capture. Of course, the feature grabbing most of the headlines is 8K at 50 frames per second. We've now seen this appear in multiple leaks, making it increasingly likely that it's real. For creators shooting action sports, mountain biking, skiing, motorsports, or anything fast-moving, this is a meaningful upgrade. It allows smoother motion and gives you much more flexibility when slowing footage down during editing. But for the average user filming travel videos or family memories, I'd honestly argue that longer battery life and better low-light performance will have a much bigger impact than jumping from 30 to 50 frames per second. The leaked retail box also gives us a good look at the Essentials bundle, and it actually looks like solid value. Alongside the camera, it apparently includes an extra extreme battery, the invisible selfie stick, a charging case, lens cap, protective pouch, USB-C cable, cleaning cloth, and even an extended warranty. Most of these are accessories people usually end up buying separately, so bundling them together definitely makes sense. Pricing is also starting to become clearer. Current leaks suggest the standard X6 could start at around €689, while the Essentials bundle may come in at roughly €789. That would be about a €100 increase over the X5. Whether that's justified really depends on what Insta360 has improved internally. If the company has genuinely delivered better battery life, improved thermals, stronger low-light performance, a refined lens replacement system, and 8K 50 recording, then the price increase starts looking much easier to justify. What I find even more interesting, though, is the timing. For years, Insta360 has largely dominated the consumer 360 camera market, but that's no longer the case. DJI has officially entered the space with the Osmo 360, and for the first time, Insta360 has real competition from one of the biggest names in imaging technology. Looking at these leaks, it feels like Insta360 isn't simply trying to add another specification to the X6. Instead, they're focusing on improving the overall user experience. Longer battery life, better usability, stronger durability, and hopefully better image quality where it actually matters. And honestly, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Higher numbers are great for marketing, but the best upgrades are usually the ones you notice every time you pick up the camera. If these leaks are accurate, the X6 looks less like a simple refresh and more like a camera that's been refined based on real feedback from X5 users. Now all that's left is the official launch. If Insta360 delivers everything we've seen in these leaks, the X6 could become a very compelling upgrade. But with DJI now officially in the 360 camera race, the competition has never been stronger. So what do you think? Are these improvements enough to convince you to upgrade from the X5, or are you waiting to see how DJI responds? Let me know down in the comments below, and if any more X6 leaks appear before launch, I'll keep you updated right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.